Imagine this: the World Championships, both sprinters at their peak, facing off in a 100-meter or 200-meter final that could shake the very foundations of athletics. Will Noah Lyles, the reigning 200-meter world champion, continue his dominance? Or will Thompson, driven by the fierce Jamaican sprinting legacy, take the crown and prove himself as the new king of the track? This isn't just a race, it's a battle of speed, heart, and legacy.
What's up, guys? Welcome to this channel. It's _Kisaka. So pleased to have you back on this channel. Thank you guys for always supporting this channel and for being with this channel throughout the 2024 season. And Happy New Year, happy 2025. So 2025 athletics season is here yet again, and the rivalry or the showdown of 2025 is about to take place. That is the rivalry between two of the most beloved athletes or sprinters from Jamaica and USA, that is Kishane Thompson and Noah Lyles, is about to take place or go down. I've specially compiled some videos. Let's look at the videos before we come back for more comments.
Track and field has always been a sport of incredible rivalries. From Bolt versus Gatlin to Johnson versus Warrener, these matchups capture the imagination of fans around the world. But in 2025, there's a new rivalry set. This Jamaican sprinter has been making waves in the 100 meters, challenging not only his fellow countrymen, but also international stars like Lyles. Thompson's meteoric rise has caught the attention of track fans and experts alike. With a relentless training regimen and a cool, confident demeanor, he's quickly becoming a force to be reckoned with. And now, in 2025, the stage is set for a rivalry that could define an era of sprinting. In the world of sprinting, there are few names as synonymous with dominance as Noah Lyles, the Olympic gold medalist in the 200 meters and the reigning champion of the 100 meters, has solidified his place among the greatest. But for Lyles, the journey doesn't stop after the gold. The next challenge is always around the corner. As he gears up for the 2025 season, Lyles is not just resting on his laurels. He's pushing his limits, rewriting his approach, and refining every step of his legendary sprinting technique. Every champion has a secret sauce, and for Noah Lyles, it's a combination of meticulous preparation, innovative training, and an unyielding mindset. His focus isn't just on speed, but on precision, optimizing each stride, each reaction, each breath to shave off those precious milliseconds that could make the difference between victory and defeat. Under the watchful eye of his coach, Lyles has integrated cutting-edge technology into his training regimen. From biomechanical assessments to advanced data analytics, he's leveraging every tool available to enhance his performance. The focus is on perfecting his starts, maintaining maximum speed throughout the race, and sharpening his form, all in pursuit of his ultimate goal, becoming even faster than before. But speed isn't just built on the track. Strength and conditioning play a pivotal role in Lyles' training, focusing not only on explosive power, but also on endurance and injury prevention. His training includes high-intensity workouts, resistance training, and core strengthening, all aimed at making sure his body can withstand the rigorous demands of top-level competition. And as the 2025 season looms large, Lyles is also setting his sights on something bigger than just titles. He's aiming for a legacy built on innovation, hard work, and a relentless pursuit of greatness. Will the new season see him break even more records? Will he conquer new challenges on the world stage? One thing's for sure, Noah Lyles is more determined than ever to keep his place as one of the fastest men on the planet. The road to 2025 has already begun, and for Noah Lyles, the race is just getting started. Imagine this: the World Championships, both sprinters at their peak, facing off in a 100-meter or 200-meter final that could shake the very foundations of athletics. Will Noah Lyles, the reigning 200-meter world champion, continue his dominance? Or will Thompson, driven by the fierce Jamaican sprinting legacy, take the crown and prove himself as the new king of the track? This isn't just a race, it's a battle of speed, heart, and legacy. Both athletes have the talent, the mindset, and the drive to be remembered as legends in the sport of track and field. As we approach 2025, the rivalry between Noah Lyles and Kishane Thompson is poised to take athletics to a whole new level. It's not just about speed, it's about who will write their name into the history books as the ultimate sprinter of this generation. Get ready. The 2025 rivalry of Lyles versus Thompson is set to electrify the track and the world.
Yes, guys, you have seen the way both Kishane Thompson and Noah Lyles are busy training. Both of them are really training hard for this season. One thing that I've realized in athletics is about injuries. Injuries is like most of the teams don't really like to share details about their injuries. And you can remember when there were a lot of allegations about Kishane Thompson being injured. And after the Olympic season, the 2024 Paris Olympic, a lot of details about him didn't come to the limelight, because I think this is one of the secrets that these teams, Jamaicans, USA, don't like sharing it out. During the 2024 Paris Olympic, you see what happened, and most of us, especially me being a fan of Jamaican and African teams, I was expecting Kishane Thompson to take the win, but however, it ended in a photo finish because it's like they tied, but the win went to Noah Lyles. So this season is here yet again, and I'm sure Jamaicans are up in arms. They want to lead this time. I know there are so many good names or big names in the Jamaican team, starting with Kishane Thompson himself, and this is in the 100 meters men final. We have Kishane Thompson, we have Oblique Seville, we have many other names, but Kishane Thompson came to the limelight because he's the only guy who ran a time of 9.7. He ran below 9. Let me just say 9.8, and that is why most of the people were concentrating on him. And looking at his age, he's a guy to look, a guy who is showing signs of even breaking the record of Usain Bolt. They say Jamaica is small; they're small, but they talawa because of the influence that they have. Even with the Noah Lyles, you can say, he recently proposed to Janelle Bromfield, and Janelle Bromfield is she's a Jamaican. She's a Jamaican sprinter, and they are engaged currently. I'm hoping that very soon they are going to tie the knot and become husband and wife. That will mean that Noah Lyles will be also like a Jamaican, so to say. And one thing I've noticed about Noah Lyles that is so good is about him content creating. He has been creating content here and there, and also showing rising athletes on how to train, and even not only athletes, also the layman's how to go about training, or how the training in off season is done. That is very great. I've also seen there are some videos of former athletes. Some are analyzing some of these races and talking about the races that have been taking place. What I've noticed is that the current athletes or the current sprinters don't take much, or majority of them don't have these channels for content creation. I think they should create more content while they train, and so that a lot of people can be able to learn about it. So this is the season that we're expecting times to be the times that the records that were set to be broken, and more great things concerning the I can say psychological games. You saw in the last season, the 2024 season, how Noah Lyles was playing psychological games with other sprinters. Like before the race, he would jump around, and I think just to show or to instill fear to the other sprinters. But also, Kishane Thompson, who had developed also his kind of how do I put it, like mantra, or is also psychological game. Before getting in, he would put out a loud scream and do some signs. So all in all, I say Happy New Year as they prepare for this season. I'm always in support of Team Jamaica and Team Africa, but in Africa, one of the 100-meter sprinters known as Ferdinand Tomanyala didn't manage to make it to the finals. I don't know why. Despite him having the fastest time in Africa, he runs so well in Africa, but when it comes to the international scene, he gets a bit. I don't know whether he develops fear or what. Because even in Jamaica, he went there and he was number, I think he was the third one. Kishane led, and then he was the third. The person who has been giving Noah Lyles, or rather showed Noah Lyles dust in 200 meters, Letsile Teboho. I'm sure he's also preparing. So the competition is about to get stiff, but those two names, Kishane Thompson and Noah Lyles, all eyes are on them. Anything can happen as long as they remain healthy, without any injuries or without any bad happenings. They are likely to do wonders. So, what do you think? You can write down on the comment section or on what you think about all these, or the season to come, or this 2025 season. Whom are you watching for? What do you think is going to happen in this season? You can leave down your comment section, your comments below this video. Thank you, guys. I'll say thank you for holding my hand throughout 2024, and 2024 is here with us. Cheers, guys. God's blessings. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, do me a favor by subscribing to this channel, liking this video, commenting, and share it out large. So cheers, guys. Thank you so much. God's blessings.